Almond milk is a plant-based beverage made from filtered almonds and water. It is naturally dairy and lactose-free, making it a good option for those avoiding dairy. 1. It helps in weight loss. You may wondering how is it possible since almonds are high in fat and calories. Almond milk is low in calories because when producing, it is diluted with water and final product will be low in fat and calories. 1 cup of almond milk contain 30 to 50 calories, while same amount of whole dairy milk contain 140 to 150 calories. There are different varieties of almond milk available in supermarkets, and only unsweetened almond milk will help you in your weight loss journey. 2. It will provide you with healthy and glowing skin. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps damage cells and helps maintain healthy skin and eyes. It strengthens our immune system against illnesses and infections. Almonds are naturally high in vitamin E and 1 cup of almond milk provide 20-50% of your daily vitamin E requirement, while whole milk contain no vitamins. 1 cup of almond milk per day will gift you with a glowing skin and will protect your skin from sun damage. 3. It keeps your bones strong, healthy immune function and heart health. Almond milk is enriched with vitamin D and calcium which helps heart function, bone health and immune function. Calcium percentage in almonds are low when comparing with whole milk, but manufacturers enrich it with calcium to ensure people not missing out daily requirement. Therefore 1 cup of almond milk provide 45% of recommended daily intake for calcium. Most almond milks are fortified with vitamin D2 also known as ergocalciferol. On average 1 cup of fortified almond milk provide 25% of the recommended daily intake for D vitamin. 4. It contributes to muscle strength and healing. Almond milk contains muscle-building protein and is rich in magnesium, which is good at relaxing and relieving stiff muscles. It contains plenty of B vitamins such as iron and riboflavin, both important for muscle growth and healing. 5. Almond milk does not contain lactose. Some people suffering with lactose intolerance. It is caused by a deficiency in lactose, the enzyme that's responsible breaking down lactose into more digestible form. This deficiency caused by genetics, aging or different medical conditions. Almond milk is naturally lactose-free, and it is suitable alternative for people with lactose intolerance. 6. It keeps your heart healthy. Unsweetened almond milk contains between 30 and 40 calories per 1 cup serving and has no saturated fat. And because it's plant-based milk, it also contains no cholesterol. Almond milk is also high in omega-3 fatty acids to help lower your levels of bad LDL cholesterol and protect your heart. 7. It improves the vision. To improve eyesight, one should consume more of vitamin A which is very helpful in improving the vision. Almond milk is rich in vitamin A. Drinking almond milk regularly helps in the proper functioning of the eyes and improves your eyesight. If you like this video keep subscribed our channel for more videos like this.